A nation on rails? Not quite. Despite the romanticized vision of trains crisscrossing the country, the reality is far from this ideal. America, a land of vast distances and boundless possibilities, has a curious relationship with trains. The expansive geography and diverse terrains present unique challenges and opportunities for rail travel. We romanticize the golden age of rail, picturing elegant Pullman cars gliding across the continent. These images evoke a sense of nostalgia for a time when train travel was synonymous with luxury and adventure. But the reality is starkly different. Today, many American trains are in disrepair, and train stations often stand empty, a shadow of their former glory. While other nations have embraced high-speed rail, connecting cities with sleek, efficient trains, the US lags behind. Countries in Europe and Asia have invested heavily in their rail infrastructure, creating networks that are the envy of the world. Why has the US not followed suit? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the reasons why high-speed rail has yet to capture the American imagination. From political hurdles to economic considerations and cultural factors, we'll explore the complex web of reasons behind America's lag in rail innovation. Join us as we delve into the past, present, and future of American rail travel and discover what it would take to transform the nation into one truly on rails. The Iron Horse stalled, a lack of political drive. Across the globe, high-speed rail projects receive significant government backing. It requires vision and commitment. Sadly, in the US, high-speed rail has become a political football, tossed between administrations with varying priorities. Without a sustained, unified push from the top, progress remains frustratingly slow. The result? A patchwork of regional rail systems, lacking the speed and connectivity to truly transform American travel. Romance of the open road. America's love affair with cars. From the moment the first Model T rolled off the assembly line, cars have been more than just a mode of transportation in the United States. They symbolize freedom, independence, and the pioneering spirit that defines the American dream. The automobile is deeply ingrained in the American psyche. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the experience, and the stories that unfold along the way. From cross-country road trips to Sunday drives, cars have been a central part of American life for over a century. We prize the freedom of the open road, the ability to go where we want, when we want. This sense of autonomy and adventure is a cornerstone of American culture. Whether it's a family vacation to a national park or a solo drive to clear one's mind, the car is a vessel for exploration and self-discovery. This love affair with cars has shaped our cities, our suburbs, and our national identity. The sprawling suburbs, the vast network of highways, and the bustling urban centers all reflect our reliance on and affection for the automobile. It's a relationship that has defined the landscape of America. It's also created a significant obstacle for high-speed rail. Despite the efficiency and environmental benefits of trains, the cultural and infrastructural dominance of cars makes it challenging to shift towards rail-based transportation. Why invest in expensive rail lines when we have a vast network of highways and a cultural preference for personal vehicles? The car is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of American values and a testament to our love for the open road. Dollars and cents, the high price of high-speed rail. Building a high-speed rail network is a monumental undertaking, requiring massive upfront investment. From acquiring land to laying tracks, the price tag can be daunting. While the long-term economic benefits are undeniable, securing funding in a fiscally conservative environment is challenging. Politicians often balk at the initial costs, even with the promise of job creation and economic growth. The lobbying labyrinth, powerful voices against high-speed rail. The path to progress is rarely smooth, especially when powerful interests are at play. In the case of high-speed rail, a chorus of voices has consistently opposed its development. From the airline industry, wary of competition, to oil and gas companies protecting their interests, influential lobbies have wielded considerable power to slow or derail high-speed rail initiatives. This lobbying influence further complicates an already challenging political landscape. A future on track? Overcoming the obstacles. Despite these hurdles, a glimmer of hope remains. Public opinion is slowly shifting, with growing recognition of the economic and environmental benefits of high-speed rail. Forward-thinking leaders are championing projects in various states, demonstrating the potential of this transformative technology. The journey towards a nationwide high-speed rail network may be long and arduous, but the destination, a more connected, sustainable, and efficient America, is worth striving for. Beyond the horizon, a vision for high-speed rail in America. Imagine a future where you can travel from New York City to Washington, D.C. in under an hour, a journey that currently takes over 3 hours by conventional train. This isn't just a dream, it's a tangible possibility that could revolutionize the way we live and work. Picture yourself gliding effortlessly from Los Angeles to San Francisco in a breezy 2.5 hours, cutting the current travel time by more than half. This would not only save time, but also reduce the stress and environmental impact of long car journeys or short-haul flights. Imagine bustling city centers connected to vibrant suburbs, creating a seamless flow of people and ideas. High-speed rail could transform our urban landscapes, making it easier for people to live in one city and work in another, thus fostering a more dynamic and flexible workforce. This vision isn't just about convenience, it's about fostering economic growth and reducing traffic congestion. By providing a reliable and efficient alternative to driving, high-speed rail can alleviate the pressure on our overburdened highways and reduce the environmental toll of our current transportation habits. This is the promise of high-speed rail, a future where America embraces a modern, efficient, and interconnected transportation system. While challenges remain, such as funding, political hurdles, and logistical issues, the potential benefits far outweigh the obstacles. The dream of a nation on track is within reach, a vision that could redefine our national identity and set a new standard for transportation. Imagine the job creation, the technological advancements, and the boost to local economies that such a project could bring. But for this dream to become a reality, it requires more than just technological innovation. It needs the political will, public support, and unwavering commitment from all stakeholders, from government officials to everyday citizens. Together, we can build a future where high-speed rail is not just a vision, but a cornerstone of American infrastructure, connecting communities, reducing our carbon footprint, and enhancing the quality of life for generations to come.
Wow.